In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find ferry routes and boat schedules in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch a Google Maps, then search for your destination. This could be an island, a ferry terminal, a port, or a coastal city. Once your location appears, tap or click directions, then enter your starting point. Next, select the transit transportation mode. Google Maps will search for available public transportation options, including buses, trains, subways, and ferries where transit data is supported. After the routes are generated, carefully review the available option. Ferry connections are usually marked with a boat icon or clearly labeled as ferry within the route details. Select a route that includes a ferry segment to view the complete journey. Google Maps will display each step of your trip, including walking directions, public transit transfers, and the ferry ride itself. In supported regions, you may also see estimated departure time, arrival times, travel duration, and service frequency provided by local transit agency or ferry operators. You can also tap or click the ferry terminal or port shown in the route to view additional information such as its location, operating hours, and other available details. Keep in mind that ferry schedules and route information depend on whether local transportation providers share their data with Google Maps. Major ferry routes and popular tourist destinations usually have the most complete information, while smaller or privately operated ferry services may not appear. If Google Maps does not show a ferry route for your destination, you may need to check the official website of a local ferry operator for the latest schedules and availability. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.